2023 has been a busy year. A lot of growth. Our financial year runs the calendar year, so we're actually just crunching the numbers now. So it's been a good year for us, and we've seen broadening of the client base and internationally as well, which is encouraging.
And you've got new staff on board with the business too?
We have, and we need more this year as well. So we've increased by about 12 so far. And if we look at the plans for 2024, we need more people as well. So it's a constant issue in the industry, and I know GUH themselves are running some initiatives that we're trying to get in the back of to try and find the right people.
Okay, so we've got a new piece of kit beside us here in the stand.
We do.
So tell us a little bit about the Subsea control module.
Well, the Subsea control module here that you'll see, we developed that over a few years, and we acquired the rights for some competitive product out there as well, which has already got track record. So we're basically amalgamating the two and coming up with a Subsea control module that we feel is going to fill a gap in the market where we know that their clients aren't getting the support that they really need with these products. So we've got high hopes for it.
And I know one area that is important for the business is kind of the reuse, the remanufacture side of things. Tell us a little bit about that.
Remanufacturing, reuse has really started off with our legacy locker service, which we launched several years ago. This is a case of how long have you got, really, because it's been quite a story. But what's evolved from starting off by trying to do support for obsolescence for late life assets has evolved into getting involved with decommissioning and the availability of spares through decommissioning, through that reuse, remanufacture. And on the reuse side of it, with part of our ESG policy, we're actually able to quantify some of the savings through materials, through process, keeping work local in the area as well, through conducting work locally on remanufacturing materials. And so we're able to offer that service to the clients as part of that net zero journey that we are taking and the whole supply chain is taking. So it's been a real journey, and it's been something that's been good to be a part of as that has evolved in the industry.
So J+S Subsea is up for 2 awards. What would it mean for the business if it did win one of these?
Well, we've been coming to this show in all its various guises over the years for a long time, and we're regulars at the awards ceremony, and having seen the companies that have come through, it would mean a lot to get that recognition. We're up for a couple of awards, and one of them being for the young emerging professionals, which ties in with the ESG side of what we're doing as well. So I think it would be great. It would be recognition for the work that the team has put together in growing the company since the buyout 3 years ago.